Hello my dear students, this is Anjana Borua, Assistant Teacher, City Commerce Girls High School, Chattogram. I would like to welcome you the online classes arranged by City Commerce Girls High School, Chattogram. Dear students, I think all of you are well by the grace of God. I am also so. Okay, dear learners, I think you are doing well with your studies and doing the assignments of all subjects and submitting the assignments within the time. Okay, dear learners, today I will continue with the English first paper from EFT from your English for Today book. Okay, dear learners, before starting the class, I think you will take your EFT book before starting the class. I think dear students, all of you are known about the all of you know about the word shopping. It's an interesting thing to do shopping. It's an essential activity in our daily life. Today, all of us, most of all us, we enjoy the shopping. Today, we will discuss about shopping, different types of shopping, but though it is not so interesting, but it is very essential for our daily life, without which we can't do not for a single day. Okay, today dear learners, we will continue with the lesson 8 from the EFT book, lesson 8, page 21. The title of the lesson is Grocery Shopping. I think you have opened the EFT book at page 21, lesson 8, Grocery Shopping. Now we will go through the lesson. In activity A, there is a dialogue between Imran and his mom. Now we will read the dialogue. Now here, dear learners, you can see that here is an introduction about the dialogue. Now let us see. Some guests will visit Imran's house tonight, so Imran's mother will cook dinner for them. She asks Imran to go to the local market. He often forgets to buy the necessary items, so his mother is making a shopping list for him. He is helping his mother make the list. Read the conversation between the mother and son. So here we will read about a conversation or a dialogue between Imran and his mother about making the list of a grocery shopping. Imran will go to the local market to buy some grocery things. So that's why to make the work easy, his mother is making a list for Imran. So let us see the dialogue. Imran: Mom, what do I need to buy? Mom: well, see if we have enough potatoes. Imran: we have some potatoes, but I don't think it's enough. Mom: then get half kg of potatoes. How about tomatoes? Imran: I don't see any tomatoes. Mom: are there any other vegetables? Imran: yes, there are some beans, carrots, cucumbers and eggplants. That's all. Mom, well, I will need 1 kg of tomatoes, half kg of beans and 2 cauliflowers. Are there any eggs, dear? Imran, there are only 3 eggs. Maybe I will buy a dozen more. Mom, oh, yes, get some sugar and milk and 1 liter of well too. Imran, okay. 1 liter of milk and 1 kg of sugar. Mom, one more thing, dear. You are forgetting your list. Here it is. Imran, oh, thanks, Mom. Okay, dear learners, I think you have listened to me carefully and have understood the idea, what the theme of this conversation or dialogue. Here, Imran and his mom is talking about the things, grocery things, which Imran will have to buy from the local market. And according to the information of Imran, Imran's mom is making a list, and she has prepared a list for Imran, and she has given the list to Imran and sent him and told him to go to the local market to buy those grocery things. Okay, dear learners, in one activity A1, here is a list. Here is a column or table of the items, items and quantities of some things. There are I have drawn the chart which you will get in your EFT book. This one I have drawn the chart in the whiteboard. Now we will solve the problem. Now let us see what we will have to do. In activity A1 we can see that you have read the conversation above. Yes, we have read the conversation between Imran and his mom. Now put a tick mark against the items that Imran will buy and put a cross mark against the items he owned. Write the quantity of the items in the last column. The first one is done for you. Okay, dear learners, I think you have seen the table. Now we can see that there are 13 items. There is the name of 13 items in this chart. We will have to identify what Imran will, from these 13 items, which Imran will buy and which Imran will not buy. If he will buy, we will have to put a right mark or tick mark against the name of the item and a cross mark against the name of those items which Imran will not buy. Okay, dear learners, I think you have taken your exercise book and I will solve this chart or table for you. Okay, dear learners, the name of the first item is potatoes. We know that we have read in the conversation that Imran will buy potatoes, so we will give a tick mark against potatoes. He will buy half kg of potatoes. Then the next one is tomatoes. We know that Imran will buy tomatoes also, and he will buy 1 kg of tomato. So here we will write 1 kg. Then come to the next one. Next one is onion. We know that Imran's mom has has not told him to buy onion, so we will put a cross mark against onion. Then come to the cauliflower. We know Imran will buy cauliflower and the quantity will be 2. He will buy 2 cauliflower. Then comes the beans. Yes, Imran will buy beans and he will buy half kg of beans. So here we will write half kg. Then the next one is eggplants. No, Imran will not buy eggplants, so we will put a cross mark. Then the next one is eggs. The next one is eggs. No, yes, Imran will buy eggs and he will buy 1 dozen of eggs. 1 dozen. 1 dozen of eggs. Then the item is oil. Yes, Imran will buy oil and the quantity will be 1 liter. The quantity will be the quantity of oil will be the 1 liter. Then the next one is salt. No, Imran will not buy salt. So we will put a cross mark against salt. Then sugar. Yes, Imran will buy sugar. The quantity will be 1 kg. Then the item is milk, and we know that Imran will buy milk and the quantity will be 1 liter. 1 liter. Then comes the carrots. No, Imran will not buy carrots, so we will put a cross mark against it. And the last one is cucumber. No, Imran will not buy cucumbers, so we will also put a cross against the item cucumbers. So dear learners, I think you have enjoyed the task, and we can see that out of 13, Imran will buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items. Out of 13 items in this chart, Imran will buy 8 items. Okay, dear learners, I think you have copied these tasks in your exercise book. Okay, dear learners, come to the next page, page number 23. Here we can see another dialogue. In the first dialogue, we can see that Imran was at home with his mom and preparing a list. Then we can see that in this dialogue, Imran has gone to the local market and he is talking to the salesperson. Then now we will read the dialogue between Imran and the salesperson. Okay, dear learners, look at your EFT book, textbook, and listen to me carefully. Salesperson: hello, how can I help you? Imran: do you have any beans? Salesperson: yes, we do. How much would you like? Imran: I would like half kg, and I will also need 1 kg of tomatoes, 2 kgs of potatoes, 2 cauliflowers, a dozen of eggs and some salt. Salesperson: do you need oil, sir? Imran: yes, I need a liter of oil. Salesperson: do you need anything else? Imran: let me check. Looks at the lips. Oh yes, could I have some sugar and milk? Salesperson: sure. How much milk do you want? Imran, just 1 liter. And 1 kg of sugar, please. Salesperson, okay. Let me find all the items for you. Imran, thanks. Please put them in a paper or jute bag. Salesperson, sure. We don't use plastic bags here. Here you go. I have put all the items here. Imran, thank you. How much is the total? Salesperson, the total comes to Taka 535. Imran, here is 550. Salesperson, thank you. Here is the change. 15 Taka. Have a good day. Imran, thanks. Bye. Okay, dear learners, we have written the dialogue or conversation between the salesperson and Imran. I think we can see the salt, the item salt has been added here in this dialogue, but in our previous dialogue we didn't get any information about salt. Okay, dear learners, I think you can understand the dialogue. It's a simple and easy dialogue. You can use or practice these types of easy dialogues in your everyday life for improving your speaking skills. Okay, dear learners, come to the next page number 24. Here you can see in exercise B1 and B2. In exercise B1 you can get some questions. I think you will solve the answers of the questions at your home, and you will practice it. And in exercise activity B2, here is a poster and speech bubbles. You will have to organize or rearrange the speech bubbles to make a complete dialogue. Okay, dear learners, I think you will be able to solve the problems in activity B1 and activity B2. Today I will close my today's class at this portion. From our next class we will continue with activity C. From activity C, from this lesson we will continue our next class. Okay, dear learners, I think you have enjoyed the class. We will meet again in our next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.